Hi everyone. Today I am going to deal with the topic intelligence, nature and definition, role of heredity and environment. So let's start. First we are going to deal definitions. Different psychologists have variously defined intelligence, but the commonest feature in the most of the definition are that intelligence is the ability to learn, the ability to carry on the higher process of thought, especially abstract thinking, and ability to adapt to new situations. So, it can classified into 4 categories. They are ability to adjust, ability to learn, ability to abstract reasoning, operational definitions. Now we are going to move ability to adjust. According to this group, intelligence is the general mental adaptability to new situations of life. Binet says that intelligence is the ability of an individual to direct his behavior towards a goal. ഒരു വ്യക്തിക്ക് ഒരു ലക്ഷ്യത്തിലേക്ക് തന്റെ ബിഹേവിയറിനെ തിരിച്ചുവിടുവാനുള്ള കഴിവിനെയാണ് ഇന്റലിജൻസ് എന്ന് ബിനെറ്റ് പറയുന്നു. According to William James, it is the ability to adjust oneself successfully to a relatively new situations. ഒരു പുതിയ സിറ്റുവേഷനിൽ അഡ്ജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള കഴിവാണ് ഇന്റലിജൻസ് എന്ന് വില്യം ജെയിംസ് അഭിപ്രായപ്പെടുന്നു. According to J. Piaget, intelligence is an adaptation to physical and social environment. Similarly, F.N. Freeman says that intelligence is represented in behavior by the capacity of the individual to adjust himself to new situations, to solve new problems, to learn. Next category is ability to learn. Beckingham defined intelligence is the learning ability. It is very simple. Intelligence is the learning ability. And Thurston defined intelligence in terms of 5 primary abilities, that is S or space factor, N number factors, V denote verbal comprehension factor, and W or word fluency factor, and M is the memory factors. Similarly, Superman also defined intelligence may be though of Indian of 2 abilities, G and S. G denotes general and S denotes specific. Next category is ability to abstract reasoning. This group definitions maintain that intelligence is the ability to carry on abstract thinking. According to L.M. Thurman, an individual is intelligent in proportion as he is able to carry on abstract thinking. P.A. Vernon defined intelligence is an all-round thinking capacity or mental deficiency. And the last category is operational definitions. P. Vernon again defined intelligence is what intelligence test measures. And G.D. Stoddard defined intelligence is the ability to undertake activities. These are the main definitions of intelligence. Now we are moving to nature of intelligence. The nature of intelligence also differ according to the nature of work it can do. For example, handling ideas and symbols such as words, formulas, numbers and diagrams, abstract intelligence is required. In the same way, the ability to deal with machines require mechanical intelligence. And next one is the some of the features of intelligence are following. It is the ability to learn. It is the ability to solve problems. It is the ability to deal with the abstraction. It is the ability to see relevant relationship with the object or ideas. These features are related to intelligence definitions. We clearly see these features in intelligence definitions. And fifth feature is it is the ability to apply acquired knowledge to new situations. Sixth one is intelligence is excellence of performance as manifested in efficient work. And last one is it is the analytic and synthetic ability of mind. And next is role of heredity and environment. There are many factors influencing the intelligence. For example, age, sex, culture, heredity and environment. Now we are going to deal with the heredity and the environment and its role on intelligence. Heredity, physical makeup that a child inherits from parents' strong influence on physical development. Heredity provides for the maturation and training of organism. The child carries with himself several psychological and physiological peculiarities that are present in the parents. That is known as heredity. In fact, it is the heredity that determines structure, complexion, structure of hair, height, facial features, etc. of the child. Thus, different types of the genes help in the formation of body. Heredity is the passing on of traits from parents to their offspring. Now, look at some evidence of genetic influence on intelligence. They are twins. Studies suggest that identical twins intelligence quotients more similar than those of fraternal twins. The second example is siblings reared together in the same home have IQs that are more similar than those of adopted children raised together in the same environment. Now, role of environment on intelligence. Environment is nothing but the sum total of the surroundings in which an individual has to live. Environment that surrounds and influences the child. Environment provides for the maintaining and training of organism, maturation and training of organism. Intelligence is strongly influenced by the environment. Factors related to child's home environment and parenting, education and availability of learning resources and nutrition among others all contribute to intelligence. Thank you.